September 6th, 2010. This is today's climate report. Tens of thousands of Australians are poised to flee their homes in the southeast. At least 53,000 people were put on alert. Torrential rains over the weekend, downpouring the area. Over 300 homes have been flooded out. 11 towns were forced to flee with the weather that happened over this weekend in southeast Australia. Gale force winds tore trees, power lines, and tearing roofs off of homes in South Australia and the New Wales states in Australia as well. So southern Australia is having a hell of a time right now. Gautemala, of course, new mudslides, numerous people buried. One rescue party was buried, over 100 people, by a new mudslide while they were trying to dig people out of a bus. South Mexico, Nicaragua, Honduras, they're all in the same boat. Torrential rains continue, and officials are saying record amounts of rain. So they're still having all kinds of problems down there. The earthquake in New Zealand. New Zealand's reporting the fault line was unknown, was under gravel that's been there for over 16,000 years. Scientists say it was hidden, and there might be others present that they just don't know about. They did experience a couple of strong aftershocks today of over 5-point magnitude. Tropical storm Hermine is along the Mexico-Texas border. It's already hit land. And it's supposed to be heading up in through the central United States, bringing with it the low pressure and the tropical rains. And I think East Texas has been pretty dry as far as reports from that I know about, so they might need some much needed rain up there. Spaceweather.com is reporting a brief but explosive C1 class solar flare erupted from Sunspot 1105, and if you remember, that was the one I said was turning into a rash yesterday. The SDO reported a bright flash of UV radiation. They've got a little real quick film on it I will post a link to. 1105 is growing rapidly and seems poised to produce more flares ahead. So Sunspot 1105 is definitely acting up, and it's facing in our direction, so something definitely to look out for. What's going on in my neighborhood today is we're under severe weather threat. We got thunderstorms that have been developing just east of us. I mean, we've got a couple roll through pretty good. There's a nice strong breeze going on right now, and you know, thunderstorms are developing. What do you do? Other than that, it's been a fairly nice day. Let me know what's going on in your neighborhood. Thanks.